Have you ever wondered how many species the Amazon rainforest harbors? Imagine a place on Earth, so vast, so wild, and so teeming with life that even to this day, it remains a mystery to us. This is the Amazon rainforest, a world of extraordinary beauty and biodiversity that stretches across 9 countries in South America, covering a staggering 2.5 million square miles. This isn't just any forest, it's a living, breathing entity, a veritable powerhouse of life. With its towering trees and sprawling undergrowth, the Amazon is home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees, representing 16,000 species. The sheer diversity is mind-boggling, isn't it? But it's not just about the flora. The Amazon rainforest is also a haven for the fauna. It is believed to be inhabited by over 2.5 million different species of insects, tens of thousands of types of plants, and more than 2,000 bird and mammal species. It's like a natural symphony of life, with each creature playing its unique role in the grand scheme of things. And let's not forget the people who call this place home. The indigenous tribes of the Amazon, with their rich traditions and deep connection to the land, have lived in harmony with this vibrant ecosystem for thousands of years. They are the true guardians of the Amazon, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of this magnificent rainforest. Yet, despite its vastness, the Amazon rainforest is still a world shrouded in mystery, full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Every corner of this verdant paradise holds the promise of new species to be found, new medicines to be created, and new insights into the workings of nature to be gained. The Amazon rainforest, a realm of life that remains largely untapped. Do you know why the Amazon rainforest is often referred to as the lungs of our planet? The Amazon rainforest, a sprawling expanse of lush greenery, plays an indispensable role in our planet's health. It's like the Earth's respiratory system, breathing in carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. This exchange of gases is essential for life on Earth, and here's why. Every living creature needs oxygen to survive. Humans, animals, even microscopic organisms, we all require it. The Amazon, spanning across 9 countries, provides about 20% of the world's oxygen. That's like every 5th breath you take, thanks to this magnificent forest. But the Amazon does more than just provide oxygen. It also helps clean our atmosphere by absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. This process is known as carbon sequestration, and it's a vital part of the global carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is nature's way of recycling carbon atoms. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is absorbed by plants during photosynthesis, a process that also produces oxygen. The absorbed carbon becomes part of the plant, helping it to grow. When the plant dies, the carbon is released back into the atmosphere or soil, ready to be used again. The Amazon rainforest is a crucial part of this cycle. It's estimated that it absorbs approximately 2 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide each year. That's equivalent to the annual emissions of nearly 500 million cars. However, the Amazon's ability to absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen is not infinite. It depends on the health and size of the forest. Deforestation and forest degradation can significantly reduce the Amazon's capacity to perform these essential functions. The Amazon, in its vastness and complexity, is more than just a forest. It's the lungs of our planet, a critical component of our global ecosystem. Its role extends beyond its boundaries, influencing climate patterns, hosting incredible biodiversity, and supporting indigenous communities. Indeed, without the Amazon, our planet would struggle to breathe. Have you ever contemplated the magnitude of the Amazon River? This colossal waterway is not just a river, it's a lifeline. It stretches over 4,000 miles across the South American continent, making it the second longest river in the world, right after the Nile. But when it comes to the volume of water it carries, no other river can compete. The Amazon River pours so much water into the Atlantic Ocean that, more than 100 miles at sea off the mouth of the river, one can still dip fresh water out of the ocean. Now picture this. An intricate network of over 1,000 tributaries flowing into this mammoth river. These tributaries, like veins, reach out across the land, bringing life to even the most remote corners of the Amazon rainforest. But the Amazon River is more than just a water source. It's the heart of the ecosystem, pumping life into the surrounding rainforest. It's home to a staggering variety of fish species, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. It's a crucial part of the global water cycle, influencing rainfall patterns across continents. And for the countless communities that line its banks, the Amazon River is a lifeline in the most literal sense. It's their source of food and water, a transportation route, even a spiritual symbol. For these communities, the river is their life, their culture, and their survival. But the importance of the Amazon River extends beyond the forest. It plays a critical role in regulating the world's climate by absorbing and storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. In other words, the health of the Amazon River directly impacts us all. So the next time you take a sip of water, consider the journey it might have taken. From the sky to the mountain peaks, trickling down into a tributary, flowing into the mighty Amazon, and eventually reaching the sea. Water, the essence of life, on an epic journey of its own. The Amazon River, truly the lifeblood of the rainforest. Can you imagine a world without the Amazon rainforest? A grim thought, isn't it? Yet that world is closer than we'd like to think. The Amazon, a beacon of biodiversity and a vital player in our planet's health, faces threats that could change its face forever. Foremost among these threats is deforestation. Each year, thousands of square miles of this lush green paradise are stripped bare. What was once a vibrant landscape, teeming with life, is reduced to barren, lifeless land. The trees that once stood tall, providing oxygen, shelter, and sustenance, are lost forever. Their absence is felt not just by the countless species that called them home, but by the world at large. Illegal logging is another grave concern. Despite laws in place to protect the forest, unscrupulous loggers continue to exploit it for its valuable timber. These actions not only rob the Amazon of its trees, but also disrupt the fragile balance of its ecosystem. The loss of even a single tree can have far-reaching consequences, affecting countless organisms and altering the landscape irrevocably. Then, there's the specter of climate change. The Amazon, often referred to as the Earth's lungs, plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate. But as the world heats up due to human activities, the rainforest is feeling the heat too. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns could transform large parts of the Amazon into a savanna-like environment, a drastic shift that would have profound implications for the planet. The threats facing the Amazon are real and imminent, but they're not insurmountable. With concerted global action, we can turn the tide and safeguard the future of this precious ecosystem. Because the truth is, the survival of the Amazon rainforest is not just about preserving a beautiful and diverse corner of our world. It's about something much bigger. The survival of the Amazon rainforest is critical for the survival of our planet. What can we do to ensure the Amazon continues to thrive? The protection of the Amazon rainforest is a collective effort that involves organizations, governments, and individuals all over the world. With the enormity of the Amazon, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but remember, every effort counts in preserving this incredible ecosystem. Conservation organizations play a pivotal role in protecting the Amazon. Groups like the Amazon Environmental Research Institute, the Rainforest Foundation, and the Amazon Aid Foundation work tirelessly to protect the rainforest through a variety of initiatives. They conduct research, run educational programs, and engage in direct action to combat deforestation. By supporting these organizations, you can contribute to their vital work. Sustainable practices are another key aspect of Amazon conservation. This includes everything from sustainable farming methods to responsible tourism. When we choose to buy products that are rainforest friendly, we send a powerful message to companies about the kind of practices we want to support. Similarly, when we visit the Amazon, we have a responsibility to do so in a way that respects the environment and the local communities. Government regulations also play a critical role in Amazon conservation. Laws that protect indigenous lands, restrict deforestation, and encourage sustainable development can have a major impact on the health of the rainforest. By staying informed about these issues and advocating for strong environmental policies, we can influence the decisions that affect the Amazon. But what's most important is that each of us can make a difference. Whether it's by donating to a conservation organization, choosing sustainable products, or advocating for strong environmental policies, your actions matter. You have the power to help protect the Amazon. Remember, the Amazon is not just a far-off rainforest. It's an integral part of our planet's ecosystem, a source of incredible biodiversity, and a lifeline for many communities. It's up to us to ensure that it continues to thrive. Together, we can ensure the Amazon rainforest remains a beacon of life and diversity for generations to come.